Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today is my 1 year anniversary and I am going to start a giveaway. So this giveaway is to celebrate being on YouTube for 1 year and for 2,000 subscribers. So we're not quite there yet. So these are the items I'm going to give away. So go ahead and make a comment below which one you want, or if you want to be entered for all three, or if you like two of them. So, and then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and share my video, and you guys will be entered and we will get to 2,000 subscribers really quickly if you guys help me by sharing the video and subscribing. So excited. It's been an incredible year. So I've learned so much. I've met so many great people and just having a blast. So I have three things. I have this rainbow bloom. This rainbow bloom is an 8-inch deep canvas and it has one coat of resin on it, so I still need to put 1 or 2 more coats on it depending on how it goes. I'm waiting for my resin to arrive in the mail, so I will get it ready as soon as possible. Here is a set of flower coasters. They are resin. These are the blue and purple ones. They're partially see-through. They are really pretty. I love them. So I think those are nice. And then I have a set of bloom coasters that I have put resin on. So they're all ready to go. They have the cork on the back and the signature. Nope, no signature. I'll have to do that. So here they are. They're the ones that I put all together in a square and then did the bloom drizzle swipe wreck across it and then spun it out. So that set is ready to go. So guys, please like enter to win because we are celebrating. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe. I'm so excited. I can't wait for the whole next year. It's going to be amazing. So just let me know what you want. 1, the painting. 2, the 2 coasters. 3, the set of 4 coasters, or you want to be entered to win all 3, or just 1 or 2. So just let me know. 1, 2, and 3. Thanks guys so much. Y'all are all the best. I really appreciate you guys. And we will be drawing this hopefully very, very soon when I hit 2,000 subscribers. Thanks guys. Be inspired.